In this video, we are going to see that if you come across this error of Microsoft Store error code 0x80070483 in Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer, we are going to see a couple of solutions and one of them might work for you. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. So first of all, guys, what you need to do is just open up the start menu and right here, WS reset. Make sure it is a command and not searching on the web. Just open this up, and what this will do is this will process it a little bit and then it will directly open the Microsoft Store for you. Here you go, and hopefully that should resolve your problem. But if it still doesn't resolve, what you can do is just go to start menu again, just right here CMD, right click, run as administrator, click yes. Let me just zoom it a little bit so that you can see everything clearly. And here we just have to write SFC space / scan now. Scan now should be one word without the spaces. It will begin the system scan and it will process a little bit. So let's wait for it to complete. Okay, so once this verification is complete, you can close out of here and let's restart our PC. Click on restart. And once the computer is restarted, let's continue through it. And after that, just try accessing the Microsoft Store and it should work for you. Guys, just comment down below if that works for you, because it can help all the community out here. And especially if you have some other solutions that work for you, just comment down below as well, because we are here to help each other. So hopefully this solution helps. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.